Up next is 6-box break number 6 of 2022 Topps Series 1. This was random teams and random Rays. Here are your teams. And we'll start the random for the Rays for the first 2 boxes. That's terrible. You see. Number 1, you're going to break the Pop-Tart. And if it's small enough to fit in there without breaking the Pop-Tart, you're definitely going to eat it. Miami. Timmy. They're like this. Aren't they, usually?
Yeah, they're pretty small.
They're small, but you're not going to eat it.
Yeah, they're like plastic green soldier.
Yeah.
Maybe a little small. Yeah, they're a little beefier. I mean, they're a baby.
Baby.
They're rotund and pudgy.
They are pudgy. Baby. Brian, oh, why does this feel weird? I guess I need to go down lower. Brian Hayes, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Jose Abreu, and Rizzo. Oh, you actually got that, UCCF?
Unintentional Rizzy.
Mm-hmm. Acuna. So if you happen to get the Yankees and you get Rizzo cards, do you keep them or do you not like them? Are you back to Pop-Tart talk? Taylor McGill for the Mets.
Tyler
McGill. I have a lot of trouble with this name. Mets Hall of Famer. Yeah, I can see that being difficult. Freddie Freeman, 87. Okay. Wander. Timmy.
Super Slim.
What was I calling them the first time?
With you never know.
Vladimir Guerrero, Diamond Greats. I was calling them, Whack-A-Mole. Thanks. Yeah.
Oh.
Whack-A-Mole. Yes, thank you, Pills. That's what I was asking. But I actually remembered it somehow.
Yeah, it's like a thing where they pop up and you whack it like a mole sticks out.
Uh-huh.
What's that called again?
Oh my god. Badoo, 87. When they leave the kid. Oh, that was embarrassing. Moran, gold 2022 for Pittsburgh, gold and silver.
Mine still hasn't shipped, Red Raider. I don't even have tracking yet. Processing. Jules, when are you getting yours?
I don't need this. It was a very stressful day. Ohtani 2021 greatest hits. If we're gonna, it wasn't meant to be that day. Wasn't meant to be. Rodriguez rainbow foil board. Yeah. Corbin Burns 87. No, over here. Oh no. The infamous day that will go down in CSB history. The day I alienated over half the people watch breaks. That was the stressful day.
It was a stressful day because we did, 12 cases of Series 1 that day?
Yeah. It came out right as we were starting. It was...
No, they won't drop because of that. Nothing ever drops because of a 1-of-1 being pulled.
No.
Ever.
Ichiro. 87. You know what was worse is... Oh, there's a Wonder Home Run Challenge card. Today. It was the one we just did. That wasn't the infamous one. The one we just shipped out, right? That was...
That was...
Was what we just shipped out?
Yeah.
Oh, it was just so much FedEx stuff. Oh my god, it was insane.
Yeah, we got our Montgomery Club sets today.
Flashy's Feet Bets.
But I haven't gotten my Topps hobby box yet. I haven't gotten my first edition. And none of it's even left the factory yet. This is shenanigans.
Take it back. Alright, UCCF. Bo Jackson, 87. You're going to open it, UCCF? Miley to 299. Orange Ice for the Reds. UCCF, Wade Miley, Orange Ice to 299. I actually did get along really, really well the one time I had to call.
It's true.
She was like, we talked and chit-chatted. Albert Poole, she said she would call me on the weekend if she didn't have an answer for me. It was great.
She took care of you.
Yes, she did. Odor, Rainbow Foil Board.
I called Topps and they answered the phone like, what is it, neckbeard? Went downhill from there.
Duran, 87. Probably true, UCCF. The packs get stuck to my thing. What do you call that thing?
She is a unicorn, I'll give you that.
Okay. Well, I know the answer to that, Red Raider. I'll do no hashtag spoilers, though. Silver pack.
Yeah, I can tell you everybody's in the set.
Pete Alonso. Joey Gallo. Another blue. Kelnick. And Ricky Henderson.
Oh, Ricky loves it.
He's doing a sprint. 31 of 150 blue. Ryan and Carey. Ken Griffey Jr., welcome to the show. Yeah. Oh, Dylan Carlson, 87. Hippie. Ryan's Joey, look away. 87, Dylan Carlson, autograph.
How many of those have we pulled?
3. 2 of them are the black pearls, I think.
We pulled 2 of these on opening day and 2 blue. This is the 5th one.
Is it?
Yep.
Wow.
5th one.
Kyle Tucker. Haven't gotten yourself one yet?
Nope.
That's surprising.
I was hoping one of my Topps hobby boxes that'll show up next year, I'll get one, but...
Ted Williams.
No, that's my PC Genova. Been collecting Dylan for a while. Still don't have that one.
Aaron Judge, 87.
Sold, hippie. Just text me number.
Navarez to 2022 gold for the Brewers, JMBBB. Vladimir Guerrero generation now. Just because he's a Cardinal. What's that supposed to mean?
Yeah, what do you mean just because? There's
Rainbow
just
foil
because.
board. Oh, who's Genova guy is coming in here talking like that? Buster Posey, 87. Why is this card backwards? No reason. Just backwards for funsies. Sure you do. Wander. Got one. Yadi Molina, welcome to the show. What else? What else? What else? Yelich. Man, we gotta remember to get the king cake. Oh,
Auction,
pay
1 minute.
attention, ECCF. Yes, be inattentive.
Just
That's
mute the feed, look away.
Kelnick, 87. Uh-huh. Okay. Home run challenge, Posey. Can't look away. Flashiest feet, Aaron Judge. Stop asking him questions while he's trying to win an auction.
Focus on the auction. You can do it.
Auction, 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 auction.
Remember, bid aggressively.
It's only money. Maddox, 87. Has it been a minute?
Focus.
Will Smith, vintage stock to 99. UCCF, don't listen to me. Vintage stock to 99. Will Smith.
Focus.
Guerrero, greatest hits.
Bargain's good.
Everybody's too busy watching Duels Breaks.
It's probably what it is.
Yount, 87. What? Nuh-uh.
$9.
Hera, rainbow foil board. Time for another random. Nice, UCCF.
Usually in auctions around here, I bid $9. It goes for $138.
Yeah. Very nice.
Hold on for a minute.
UCCF, did you see what I got a ton of? I feel like he's not going to like this, but... Werthers, but they're coffee Werthers. I mean, I love the original too, but man, these coffee ones taste so good.
A Yachty PSA 10 update rookie for over 400. I've got a Yachty gold refractor. I've got the rainbow besides the super fractor of Yachty rookies out of Bowman. First Bowmans, I should say. I don't know what those go for these days. Have to look those up sometime. Rando, here we go.
we all sit and stare at the random screen.
It's moving. Number 7. Number 8.
Oh, UCCF, you did it.
Mr. CF could win again.
But can we get you a card? Good thing that wasn't during his auction. That might have distracted him a little. Okay. I will. Always.
Look for that redemption blue.
Mm-hmm.
You wrapped up 2016 Bowmans? That's got to feel good.
Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Donaldson, Salvador Perez, and Robert. And they're all backwards. Welcome to the show, Eddie Murray. Yeah, binders are fun. Trey Turner relic card for the Dodgers. UCCF. 87 relic Trey Turner.
I should make like custom team binders or something, like nice ones. Team logos on them.
Votto 87. Maybe they will.
Fanatics made team binders. I'd be all over that.
Wonder. UCCF, gotcha one.
Or bring back like the Series 1, Series 2, the flagship binders they had.
Oh my gosh. You get out of here. I am second fiddle to no one. Satchel Paige or nothing. Diamond Greats die cut. I'll talk to that trader, UCCF. I'm just kidding. You can talk to him. To 75. What color was that?
Is it green?
No.
Oh, it's the wood parallels. Okay.
It's the gold wood parallel. That's what it was. Josiah Gray for Washington, Tim A. 16 of 75. Gold 87. Yeah, I knew it was a weird color because it didn't look like what it was. Oh, Lord, Brian. Kevin Gossman, 87. Saw a Zach Pop card in there. Ryan Hayes, Generation Now. Yes, ACA. Yes. Come on, cards. Cabrera, 87. I do say 87 weird, don't I?
87.
Yeah. Weirdo.
At least you don't say it. 87.
Gilbert Rainbow Foil Board. Welcome to the show, Jackie Robinson. Ty France to 2022 gold for Seattle.
There's Birch.
AF Chef. Gold to 2022.
Keep wondering what it feels like to get the random race in this. It's like, oh, silver pack. Could be a Franco in there. Oh, there's not. Okay, well, each one of these packs could have a parallel, or each one of these packs could have an autograph.
Mm-hmm.
It's like just
would
never
make it more
ends.
exciting.
Yeah.
Home Run Challenge Yelich for the Brewers. GMBBB. Oh yeah, that too.
Every pack could be a clear. Could even be this pack. Okay, not this pack, but could be the next pack.
Devin Williams, rainbow foil board.
Hobby feels a little more unpredictable than Jumbo.
Jazz 87. A lot of flying people on that one.
Springs internal. Okay. Well, if it starts springing externally, then got another issue.
Kill Next Generation now. God, ACA just comes in here to harass everybody. Uh-huh. Carlos Correa, 87. Travis Shaw, rainbow foil board.
Is that what the show is? Is he watching Bachelor?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all the crazy women.
Box 2. So UCC, I think if we didn't do every 2 boxes, this would not be your box. It would be over. But now you have another box.
Duran. That's a good one. Tim. Randy Johnson. Ken Griffey Jr. Hank Aaron.
Well, I appreciate your thankfulness.
Alright. Let's get some more Wanderers. Colorado Rockies, rainbow foil board. Oh, there's a Wander. Got it early, so maybe there'll be more.
Or parallel.
Or parallel. Miguel Cabrera, welcome to the show.
Yeah, that's what I want to see is Wander parallel in one of these. Like an Independence Day or... I don't know.
How about a Robert Major League Material? For the White Sox, Zego, Major League Material, Robert. Yeah, that would be really nice. Seth Beer, 87. (2022) Pavin Smith. For Tim, Arizona. Smith to 2022. Ted Williams, Diamond Greats die cut.
Still need to see one of those Diamond Greats parallels. We've gotten one,
The
right?
blues.
Blue?
We got 2 of the blues, but
Different
it's not
color.
really, yeah. I mean, like a numbered one would be nice. Cutchin, 87. Just that dual one you showed us, the World Series one. There it is.
Yeah, that's really all-encompassing. Get the trophy.
Tucker.
Get your PC guy. Have you ever considered that Bryant moved out to San Francisco to be closer to you? I mean...
Braun, rainbow foil board. He just wishes Rizzo had done the same. Trout, 87. Kind of a bittersweet feeling. Maddox, welcome to the show. Oh, put that in the wrong pile. There we go. Aww. Maybe someday. People change their minds. Is he young enough to have children? Because then definitely might change his mind. Pender to 71. Black parallel for Ryan and Carrie. Oakland. Winker 87. No, that's not what I said.
That's what I heard.
That is not what I meant. I was saying you could offer like a start for the kids' college fund with that purchase. Home run challenge, Mookie Betts. No, that's not what I said. Oh my god. No, Pills. No, don't clip that. No. Why does someone let me do something that it's put out on the internet where people can clip it? Wade Miley, rainbow foil board. It's a mistake. No, Brian, you don't get to know. You're not here. Buxton 87. But you guys are taking it the wrong way. That's not what I was saying. You guys did this, not me. It's totally on you guys for assuming that's what I was thinking. This is all on you people. Schwarber, 2021 greatest hits.
Oh, Pills looks like Skelly Club. I have a mascot.
Oh, jeez. Oh, what a mess. Nolan Arenado, 87. Oh, man. Okay. One more.
Hold on, I gotta bag up these.
Random.
Let it ride. Uno mas.
You have a problem with children, Brian?
Is that like the pirate version, Birch? The Dark Web.
Dark Web.
That was a good 10-second delay.
Ados. I can't believe that's what you guys thought I was saying. Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
All right, silver pack.
Sliver pack.
Nolan Ryan, Gavin Sheets, Cody Bellinger, and Matt Olson.
God, don't bring up glitter again.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna drag me back to that glitter store.
Welcome to the show, Ichiro. Did I put that in the regular chat or in the Heathens? I don't remember.
I don't know.
Yeah, I found a store that is glitter. It's called Glitter and More, and it's an entire store devoted to glitter. Major League Material, Jose Abreu, Zego.
Ooh, White Sox getting all the relics.
Abreu. Major League Material relic. I should break every Monday. Jackie Robinson, 87. Wait, what did he tell me? Oh, to the glitter store. Got it. Keller, red ice to 199. Gold and silver. Mitch Keller, red to 199. Red ice.
See what happens when they toot.
Wander. Eidos. Got your first Wander. Willie Mays, Diamond Greats. Would be the best. I think that's an awesome idea. I might just start adding edible glitter to everything.
Bum Bum Sparkles?
Bum Bum. Who was it that was like, did you just say bum? That was pretty funny. But again, it's funny because I don't think I've ever said that before. It's not like that's a term I use. Wade Box 87. Also, we figured out why I say Skelly. It's from Valheim. So I am crazy, but at least I know where it started. That's been a dream of mine, Strausser, forever. Be the best. Do you know this from experience, CCF? I do like the tropical ones.
Oh, how exactly? What's an ungodly number of Skittles?
Vladimir Guerrero Generation now? Okay,
Talking
I'll
like
do it.
500 or 5,000?
Scrappy Ace. Glitter water. Yeah, just glitter and everything. A pound of Skittles. I can't picture. That sounds like a lot, but not really like a lot. Miguel Cabrera, 87. I think I could do that. I mean, I'd feel sick, but... McMahon, rainbow foil board. Yeah, I might try it. Well,
if you do, don't taste the rainbow then.
No, but I don't want green. I mean, I could do that by eating healthy food. Cody Bellinger, blue. Welcome to the show for the Dodgers, CCCF.
I mean, it's just the coloring in anything if you have too much red wine.
Did she really, Teddy? That's great. It's going to be like fetch. I'm going to make it happen.
Well, what if you have rainbow? What is that? Rainbow? Is it the gum called Rainbow Stripe?
Yeah. Aaron Judge, home run challenge for the Yankees UCCF.
Guess you shouldn't swallow that either.
Fruit stripe, that's what it was. That tasted, everybody knows that. It tasted good for like 10 seconds. Mike Trout, welcome to the show. But there is edible
not red
butter.
stripe.
Teddy.
Set up here. Yum on.
Look, there's a skelly of a building going up. I love it. Giolito, rainbow foil board.
They never taught Red Raider to spit it out. Been swallowing it for years.
Well, when I was a kid, I was always afraid of getting the bubblegum ice cream because I was like, it's got bubblegum in it. You're not supposed to eat it.
Well, that's what I didn't understand. I
Yeah.
mean, what exactly do you do with that? It's like tiny little pieces.
I never ate it. I never got it.
You can't chew it, so you end up swallowing it, and then what happens?
I don't know. I just never ate it because I didn't understand.
I don't know what it... I don't know.
Will Clark, 87. Pilsy, you throw one out there. Zach Pop, Rainbow Foil Board. I didn't know black licorice ice cream existed.
Black licorice is the devil. Red licorice is tasty.
Why do they sing that then?
It is an acquired taste. If you like it, you should acquire some taste.
Oh my god. I kind of like it in a weird way. Alex Bregman, Byron Buxton, Cabrian Hayes, and Vladimir Guerrero.
I don't know if there's a food that's more polarizing than black licorice.
Wander Franco. Black licorice to me is a lot like olives or... Oh, there's a Derek Jeter short print.
Ooh, a 60?
UCCF, look at that one.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Short print Jeter. Unfrosted Pop-Tart 2-8. Ah, jeez.
I was going to make a joke trying to explain what that trophy was to him, but after 2016, I can't say anything until the Cardinals win one.
Welcome to the show, Ichiro. What were we saying?
Circus peanuts.
Oh.
That's not a...
Circus peanuts are good. I mean, they're not good. They're just...
They're made with asbestos.
They're just sugar. That's all they are.
Ugh.
They're just sugar. But and what I was trying to say is black licorice is like beer if you have it for the first time, or dirty red wine, or it's a weird taste the first time you have it. Giants Tim A. Relic card, 87 relic.
Never had European licorice. I don't know what that is.
Is that the salty stuff? Yeah.
He said it was salty, but I don't...
Rasmus sent some to Sam, I think, at one point.
Did he?
Mm-hmm.
Never had it.
I don't think I would like it. I'm not a huge salt person. David Price, Rainbow Foil Board. Don't ask, guys. It's Mikey. You don't want to know. I can promise you that. Ricky Henderson, Diamond Greats. Hey, there's like a little thing stuck to that. Don't ask him. Oh, what did I just say? Cower 87.
3 piles over here again.
I know we've said it before, but Bailey's was mine, UCCF.
I don't know what mine is. I can't remember.
Jazz Generation Now. We had it a lot in college, I think.
Well, in college, you can't really choose what you get.
You don't.
What you get is what you have. What you have is what you get.
Yep. Trey Mancini, 87. Mr. Personable. Mr. Congeniality. Welcome to the show, Mike Trout. Oh, jeez. Andrew Vaughn, 87.
Oh, that's good.
Soto home run challenge for Washington. Tim A.
Oh, is that her middle name? I mean, she's one of these three-name women.
I knew them all.
Like, no one ever says Laura Wilder. They're like, who's that? But, you know, you add the Ingalls, it's like, oh, okay.
Arizona Diamondbacks, rainbow foil board.
It's a married name? Okay. That makes sense.
Mookie Betts, 87.
Charles Ingalls. Oh, that clears that up. I learned something. I'm done. Good night.
Alonso Generation Now.
Can't really do that with your maiden name.
No.
Really?
Sandberg, 87.
I did not know this. I am getting education today.
You always learn something from UCCF.
And I appreciate it.
Always.
I like someone who can bring the smarts with the silly. Gotta have good balance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, her and Nelly. Alright. Let me put these in the bag. And then we can do the recap.
Can we?
I believe so.
Okay.
Oh, right in my face.
Man, that felt like a year ago that I pulled that Dylan. I must have taken a really long time on this break. Sorry, guys. Alright, hit recap for 6-box break number 6 of 2022 Top Series 1. Autographs. Dylan Carlson, 87 autograph. Taylor McGill, Baseball Stars autograph. Relics, Trey Turner, 87. Chris Bryant, 87. Major League Material, Abreu and Robert. We got a short print of Derek Jeter. Color, black to 71, Pinder. A gold 87/75, Josiah Gray. A Will Smith vintage stock to 99. Red ice to 199, Mitch Keller. Orange ice to 299, Wade Miley. From the silver pack, a blue Ricky Henderson to 150. Golds to 2022, Pavin Smith. Ty France, Omar Narvaez, Colin Moran. And home run challenge cards, Juan Soto, Aaron Judge, Mookie Betts, Christian Yelich, and Buster Posey.